Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get genuine Microsoft Office professional application suite on your laptop and PC for absolutely free. Microsoft Office is used by almost every computer user, whether you are a student, professional, or home user. So this video will be useful for everyone because I will demonstrate how you can install and officially use this software for free. And you do not need to spend a single penny to buy this expensive software application. In order to get Microsoft Office, first create a folder with any name on any drive inside your computer. So I have already created a folder with name of MS Office Setup. Then open a web browser and go to MS Office Customization Tool website. On this website, the first thing is to select which bit version of Office you want to download. The bit version of Microsoft Office and the operating system you are installing it on must match. In the second step, select type of Office suite. I will select Office Long-Term Servicing Channel or Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. And finally select the language. Now click the export button to save the Microsoft Office download details. Also select the agreement before you export. Remember, store this configuration file in the same folder you created earlier in the beginning of this video. Next, you have to download a software called Office Deployment Tool. So let's go to Office Deployment Tool website and download it. You have to save the deployment tool in the same folder that you created in the start, in which you also save the configuration file. Now close these windows. Now go to the folder in which we have downloaded our files. Next, install the Office Deployment Tool. Here click on Yes. Click here to accept the Microsoft software license terms and click Continue. Install it in the same folder where it is located. And next step, open Command Prompt. Remember to run it as System Administrator. Here click on Yes. Now follow these steps. Now type this command and press enter. The installation of Microsoft Office will finally start. Now here click on close and close this window. Let's test by running the Microsoft Word application. So in this video, you will learn how to get Microsoft Office for free. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.